Why does my AE project fail to render? It's almost the same as all my other projects. Why? This time on Solve It. I hate failed renders. Wow, controversial statement there. There's 4 things we can check and 5 ways we can get round fails when they happen. First, check the fail log. If you don't clear it out, then right at the bottom will be the latest fail, and most importantly, the approximate composition time when it failed. Then check the comp in AE. In this case, it's an animated GIF. I don't use these often, but I suspect that's the cause. So the first fix is to render out just the GIF. If it fails to render, then don't use it. If it does render, then use the rendered video instead. Next thing to do, go to Edit, Purge, All Memory and Disk Cache. This deletes all the temp renders, freeing up space. Ideally this should be on a second dedicated drive, but for years I managed fine with the cache on my sole hard drive. You can set the location for the cache by going to Edit, Preferences, Media and Disk Cache. Very occasionally you'll find the cause of the issue was a corrupt cache file. So, check number 3. In AME, are you using Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration OpenCL? It's up to you. If you rendered all this time without issue, then check your graphics card drivers are up to date. But here's the thing, graphics cards are optimized to render graphics while playing games. They aren't designed for the brute force number crunching that rendering requires. I think the problem lies in that GPUs have all sorts of tricks built in to prevent play lag, and these features can scupper a render. If you've got a high-end or even a mid-tier card, then you probably experience AME flying through renders, same as if your entire PC is optimized for After Effects. But if you're working on a gaming rig or general PC, then I suspect GPU rendering is not your friend. Try switching to software render only and see if that solves your render fails. Next option is not something to check, it's a workaround. Sometimes no matter what you do, you can't get a successful video render. I hate this solution, but it works. Render out your comp as an image sequence. AME will render out each frame as its own file, meaning that when it fails you don't need to render the first section again. Rinse and repeat this, altering the endpoint until the entire video exists as an image sequence. I generally find it doesn't fail at all. Each image is labeled sequentially, so you can then import this back into AE and overlay this layer into your comp and render out the comp again. It seems a waste of time, but it gets the job done when you're up against it. And finally, last option, turn your computer off. Restart it, clear the cache and try again. Sometimes AE can fail in the background and it's better to just reboot. And there you go. These are my fixes for render fails. You might disagree, you might think I missed a really obvious solution. If so, let me know nicely in the comments below.